Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing our chapter number, unit number 5, speech writing. In first video, we are discussed the introductory part of speeches. Okay, speech writing, its benefits, it's important in our personality. If you want to be a successful person, you should be adopt the policies of public speaker. You should adopt public speaking art, and you should be a elocutor. Okay, we discussed the course outcomes also, writing skill also, and speaking skill. Writing means student community should write the various type of speeches, maybe welcome speech, farewell speech, yeah, introducing to a guest, yeah, vote of thanks speech, as well as speaking skill. Speaking skill means using of appropriate pronunciation, intonation, and using verbal and non-verbal gestures. We should follow, we should deliver the public speak. As well as examination point of view, the same question will be asked in question number 5a for 8 marks. Okay, there are three type of speeches. Out of three speeches, you should write only two speeches. Okay, these are the course outcomes. Then speech writing, it is very important. Okay, make speeches on different occasions. It is a platform for follow up, for promoting oneself. Okay, there are different type of speeches. It gives us an opportunity to influence peoples, and it is a one feathers, it is an enhancement in our personality. That is a be a public speaker, yeah, follower of public speaking art, yeah, be a elocutor. नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी हमने देखा था. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मीन्स द फीचर्स हैविंग प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट, focus on a specific occasion, comprehensiveness, positive attitude, believe in future, and speech etiquette means proper format. Also, we discussed the types of speeches. There are four types of speeches: welcome speech, farewell speech, introduction to a guest, and vote of thanks. In this video, we are discussing welcome speech. Okay, a welcome speech. Okay, first, start of any special event or occasions. It is deliver, it is a express in a specific occasion when the occasion is started. Is it clear? This speech is delivered, this speech is produced when the occasion is started. B. Requiring a formal opening. Every occasions, every arrangements, every ceremony requires a formal inauguration, a formal opening, a formal startup. So this speech work as to start the ceremony. What is the duty of this speech? This speech start, inaugurate, open the ceremony, yeah, the occasions, yeah, the circumstances. C. To develop an individual or group. Sorry, to welcome an individual or group. What is duty? To welcome a specific dignitaries, yeah, group of peoples for this ceremony, for this occasion, yeah, for this arrangements. These are the three things. Duties of this speech. One, it start the occasion, a special event. It require formal opening in a specific format. It require opening, and it welcome all the dignitaries as well as the people who involve this arrangement, yeah, occasions. Next, tips for a welcome speech. Which are the keys? How to develop, how to express, how to deliver welcome speech? There are some tips. Okay, your welcome speech should be about 5 minutes long. It is not so far. Within 5 minutes, we should do it. Include the following information in your speech. You should consist the following information in your welcome speech. First, a greeting to the members of an organization. We should express greeting, well wish for all the members of organization. An honorary person present, the honorary, the dignitaries who is present on these occasions, we should well wish to him or her. And the new addition, your organization, as well as we should add something special, something new in our organization. Means it is occasions where we should express the best wishes with our organization, for our organization. It is occasions, in that occasions we express our good wishes for the honorary persons who are present, yeah, who are guest, yeah, who are guest in this occasion, as well as this is a speech. In that speech we announce a new feather, a new achievements in of our organization. B, sometimes the people joining you that you are addressing in the welcome speech will be a few individuals you can point out by the name. Okay, when we deliver welcome speech, at that time it is our duty to mention the name of the persons who are present on these occasions, their achievements, their award. We should also we should also share with the audience. See, when we welcome a specific group, especially when we welcome a specific group, at that time we should share the dignitaries' name, their achievements, their award, their contribution to the society. Next, some background information about why you have come together on this day and what will take place after the greeting are over. And we should express some background. Why should we come together here? And what happened after this ceremony, after this welcome speech? You should use a glimpse, a scenario, a panorama of our organization, its past and its future also. Okay, next, see, sample expressions used for welcome speech. How to express, how to deliver welcome speech. There are some expressions, sample expressions. These are the expressions which are using when we address, when we deliver welcome speech. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, or ladies and gentlemen. Our excellencies, distinguished delegates who are present on a dais. Yeah, simple format, ladies and gentlemen who all present in this gathering. Next, it gives me great pleasure to to extend a very warm welcome on behalf of the name of our institute. What we say, it gives me great pleasure to extend a very warm welcome on behalf of my institute. It is occasions that I feel very pleasure, great pleasure to extend warm welcome for this all dignitaries. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all the distinguished participants to this event. You can use the same line also. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all the distinguished participants to this event. It is such a lovely evening. It is such a lovely occasions. As we are to grace this occasion, allow me to welcome you all to. Okay, you can use the same words like as we are to grace this occasion, allow me to welcome you all to. It is my honor, more than a pleasure, to welcome you all to this. Okay, you can say that it is my honor, more than a pleasure, to welcome you all to this. Yeah, last we can say the like this. I consider it a great honor to welcome Dr. Mr. Professor Sri Srimati dash dash onto the dais. Yeah, you can use the same word like this. I consider it a great honor to welcome. I consider it to a great honor to welcome dash dash on the dais. May I invite the chief guest on to the dais. Use the same words. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, or ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to extend a very warm welcome. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all distinguished participants to the event. It is such a lovely evening as we are to grace this occasion. Allow me to welcome all of you. It is my honor, more than a pleasure, to welcome you all to this. I consider it a great honor to welcome Dr. Dash Dash on to the dais. May I invite the chief guest on to the dais? Such words, such expressions, such emotions we are used when we deliver, when we address, या when we write welcome speech. Examples देखेंगे. Sample expression used for welcome. Okay. Sample expression used for welcome. A warm word of welcome to Dr. Dash Dash principal of our college. We are waiting with full of ambulance to listen to your motivational words. I extend my warm welcome to Sri Dash Dash to come over to the dais and occupy his chair, please. I deem it a great privilege to welcome Sri Dash Dash to come onto the dais. I am immensely pleased to welcome Dr. Dash Dash onto the dais. On this occasion, I am entrusted by the organizing committee of today's function to Dash Dash give a welcome address. In this way, such expressions we can use for delivering welcome speech. Now, examples of welcome speech. Questions is like, as a student coordinator, draft a welcome speech for the paper presentation competition organized by your department. Okay, what is questions? As a student coordinator, draft a welcome speech for the paper presentation competition organized by your department. Answer is like, good morning one and all. It is address. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Yeah, good morning one and all. I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Sandeep Kumar, Director of Expert Academy, for today's event. He has an expertise in delivering lectures on personality development. He is also associated with well-known companies as a trainer. It is an honor and a privilege for us, sir, to have you with us today. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our principal, Mrs. R.B. Patil, for this function. I also welcome the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, media representatives, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered here for the paper presentation competition arranged for the first year students by Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Finder East. Once again, I welcome all of you for this function. Thank you. You can deliver, you can write welcome speech like the same format, like the same manner, having a various intonation, pattern, pronunciation. Hope you can understand it. Thank you.